Play-doh Snowman 2. I'm back! Yeah, this is that guy I killed. Yeah, he's against the wall. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna jump in. I'm stuck. I'm gonna eat you. Oh my god, you ate my friend. I'm gonna have to kill you again. Ah, go away. Stab you with javelin. Your javelins cannot hurt me, nor can your lightsaber. Ha ha ha. I only have one weakness. Oh, and here it comes. It's a cheetah. No, don't eat me. No, no. Yeah, crushed. I'm back. No, zombies everywhere. Will he fight off the zombies? Is the snowman really back? Find out in our next installment. He'll be back again.